In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through an across body crunch. So I've got a mat here for comfort. You don't have to use one, but I would recommend it if you are starting out. I'm going to be in a position where I'm going to be bending my knees, my feet, all my spine and my head are going to be starting off on the mat. So let's get into position. So feet just wider than hip width apart. I'm going to come all the way back in a position where I've got my knees bent. Here, you'll notice my hands go behind my head and my elbows are going to come back. Now in this position, the whole weight of my head is in my hands, so I want you to relax the neck as you're doing your repetitions. Try to focus on the crunch as opposed to coming forwards with the neck. Really use your core to come up as opposed to flinging that head forwards. And that's where, when you're coming up, you should feel the head is weightless. So in this position, what I'm going to do is I'm not only going to crunch up, I'm going to crunch across the body. So notice how I'm crunching up and rotating as well across, and I'm pinning back my shoulders on each repetition. At all times, my lower back is completely in contact with the floor. I've got no arch in my lower back. You shouldn't be able to fit a hand into the small of your lower back. So that's hands behind your head, completely go weightless with the head, pin back the shoulder blades, and you're not only going to come up, but across the body, elbow comes in, and then you do the next side, up and across the body, elbow comes in and relax. That's how to do an across body crunch, which you would repeat for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.